Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is the market update for Thursday, January 27, 2022. If you look at the E-mini SP 500 chart, as you can see that since the beginning of the year, the market make an all-time high at 48.0705, and then since that day, they continue to put it down to the downside. So the whole month is very hard for those of you that go long with the stock market or you all the stock for a long-term hold. You can see the big drawdown to the bottom side. So the bad news is the market continue to go down. At this point, we are looking for some kind of support at this level. So the people they waiting for the Apple to announce earning today, which is a good earning, and Apple they hold a major percentage in the SP 500. So that's one probably. Apple and Microsoft, they will have to lift the market back to the upside. So in the upside, in the short term, we're looking for the bounce to the upside, but we still have a lot of resistance in this area here. So let's see how far the market will go if they be able to run through that area, and then they continue to put it up to the upside. Otherwise, we have to monitor and see that they fail at this level, then the market it can continue to go lower. But at this moment, we see the market in oversold, so technically we're looking for some kind of momentum to the upside in the short term here. Okay, so let's take a look on the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is also at the support area here, so if they're able to hold up, and then they can find a way to put it back up as soon as tomorrow or next week here. Okay, and the Dow is also pretty strong. They found a support, they put it back up. The last couple of days they choppy here, but seem like they are stabilized and find a way to push it up to the upside again. The Russell 2000 is also at the support zone. They put it up and then they come back. They retest. If they hold up here, and then they are oversold too, so potential if they looking for the rebound up to the upside. Look at the crude oil, it still rumble. So they pull back for a couple of days and then they run up again. So if the tension between the Europe and US and the Russia is still there, and the oil and it still continue to go up. Let's see how far they can go, but this one here it definitely is the resistance area here. So if nothing happens, and then you monitor carefully to see if nothing happens, they can be extended and then they can pull back down. Okay, so right now you just manage, if you already in down here, you manage it to the upside. If you look at gold, a lot of people think that they're going to go higher, but like on Tuesday video, I told you this is the resistance area. You have to watch out. They hit the resistance, couldn't go higher, so they fell back. Right now they're at a support here again. So let's see if they break below here, then that's a trouble for gold. But otherwise, they will stick in the range bound here until they either break up and go higher, or they break down to go lower. Another thing here is the Bitcoin. They're very interesting. So Bitcoin, they found a support at the buy zone right into the stick. Now they are looking to find a way to put it back up. So that's the interesting area here, that the Bitcoin will hold up and looking for the support and bow from here. The Ethereum is also at the support. So one more move here, and then they can find a way to go up also. Look at the volatility index. You can see that they shoot it up high to 38, 39 area here, and then they fell off. They go sideways, and today they are a little bit cool down, but it's still in a high scale. That's why you see it a lot of volatility. It's a wild range trade, 100 point up, 100 point down. That's what you can see the last couple of days there. So if you are a short-term day trade future, you have to pay attention for your stop loss, because it's very big range. But if you know how to catch those moves, you will make a good money. That's what we do every day in our live trading room, to help our members to guide where they go, where the target, so that you can be in the right side of the market. If you look at the 11th sector of SP 500, the energy sector, like I told you, is still the best of the best right now. And you can see a lot of stock in this sector. We show you it's still hang tight to the upside there. Okay, ExxonMobil, right? Chevron, those stocks that we mentioned for a while, it still continue at the forefront of the BKR, right? PXD. Okay, so Trudeau Energy here, it's still a strong stock in the energy sector. So all you do is just monitor it to see it when they give up. Right now, the momentum is still the upside there. The second one is, like I told you, the financial sector. It's still some of them is still strong, especially the investment banker. It's like a Visa, right? You can see we show you on weekend Visa. It's still hold tight to the upside there. Morgan Stanley, for example, they're still doing well and find a way to the upside there. The technology it have a trouble, but they have found a strong support in this area here. So if they can stabilize here, we're looking for to push it back up, and especially the software and the semiconductor will have some strong stock there. They will find a way to stabilize and rebound also. The industrial sector, another one is still try to find a support at this area here. So if they can hold on to this one here, or they go sideways for a little bit here, and then they will bounce back up. So a lot of stuff you're looking for, like Catibella, John Deere, they are still hang tight there to the upside. They try to find a way to break out to the upside. If this one break out, the industrial sector will find a way to put it back up. So you monitor for those stocks, and then you will find some good opportunity to get back into the trade. Okay, the XLP, it will be consumer stable. It still hang tight and making back and forward to retest to hold up to this level here. Okay, so the trend is still not change until they're able to break out this down trend line here. Okay, but a lot of stuff like Coca-Cola, MO, right? It's still doing well there. Okay, or GIS, that's another one. It's still hang tight there. Okay, so I also show you some sector like the healthcare sector, but not all of them are doing well. But some of them doing well, like MRK, right? Johnson, last couple of days, it's still doing well. AMGN, right? So those rock makers seem like they are still hang tight to the upside, or BMY. Okay, so those stocks are still strong in the healthcare sector right there. The couple of stocks that we told you when the market is going down, a couple of strong inverse stocks that you still be able to trade them to the upside. It's like SARK, it's like SOGU, those stocks at the inverse ETF, they are still doing very well, even the market is going down. I show you. Okay, so overall, the market is still sideways, choppy, but in the short term, I think the market should be stabilized here and looking for the rebound to the upside, and then we will monitor and then let you know during the week so that you can see where they are going to. I know that the market, the whole month, it dropped down, 13% correction here. So a lot of traders, they are very frustrated, but but don't panic. This is the time for you to looking for a lot of good stock in the good sector, and then they will rebound and you'll be able to catch them and then make good money. Okay, so beside this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where we handpick many stocks and then analyze with the NP target for you to follow. Okay, so that's all I have for you for this week. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please don't forget to click the thumb up like button below. Thank you for watching, and then I will see you on the weekend market forecast. Take care, everyone.